Why cook with frozen vegetables?
Frozen vegetables are affordable, nutritious, and convenient. They're picked and frozen at peak ripeness, helping lock in nutrients. Using frozen veggies can reduce food waste and save you money. They're also pre-cut, saving time on prep. Learn how to transform these frozen staples into quick, healthy meals for any budget, while supporting your nutrition and wellness goals.
Health benefits of frozen vegetables.
Frozen vegetables are just as healthy as fresh ones. Studies show their vitamin and mineral content is preserved during freezing. They're often lower in sodium and preservatives than canned vegetables. Using a variety of frozen veggies in your meals adds fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, supporting digestion, immunity, and overall health, even when fresh produce isn't available or affordable.
How to cook with frozen vegetables.
Cooking with frozen vegetables is quick and simple. For best taste and texture, sauté, steam, or roast them straight from the freezer. No thawing needed. Add them to stir-fries, soups, or casseroles for easy, healthy meals. Avoid overcooking to keep veggies crisp and flavorful. Experiment with herbs, spices, and healthy oils for added nutrition and taste.
Healthy, cheap recipes to try.
Try easy recipes like stir-fried mixed vegetables, vegetable omelets, or homemade vegetable soup. Toss frozen veggies in whole grain pasta with olive oil and garlic for a budget-friendly dinner. Add them to brown rice or quinoa bowls with beans for a balanced meal. These recipes are quick to make, affordable, and packed with nutrients to support your wellness routine.
Tips for buying and storing frozen vegetables.
Choose plain frozen vegetables with no added sauces or salt for the healthiest option. Keep a variety in your freezer to add color and nutrition to meals anytime. Check Best By dates for freshness. Sealed bags can be resealed after use, helping prevent freezer burn and minimizing food waste while supporting healthy eating habits on a budget.